Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by capturing settings you might need. This prevents cleanup later. Once done, power must remain on, do not unplug. Make sure you have a small tool like a paperclip and a timer set for 10 to 20 seconds. You will press the recessed reset button. This triggers a factory default that clears custom settings, so note any ISB credentials now. Then position your tool over the reset hole so you can act quickly and accurately. You press and hold the reset button firmly. Hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds so the router recognizes a full factory reset. While holding, watch the status LEDs. They typically blink or change pattern to confirm the process. Once the LED behavior shifts to a steady reset indication, release the button. Then make sure to give the device time. The router needs roughly 5 to 10 minutes to erase settings and fully reboot into default mode. You reconnect using the default SSID and admin credentials printed on the router. This lets you access the web or app setup. Once in, re-enter ISP or PPPoE details if your fiber requires them, and run any provider activation steps. If the internet does not return, make sure to power cycle the ONT and router in sequence. Turn off router, wait 30 seconds, then power the ONT, then router. If still offline.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.